Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. So in today's lecture, I gonna share about how to use multi-state button with multi-state indicator. Means you can use multi-state button, also multi-state indicator. How you can use and what is the purpose and where you can use this button. So if you new on my YouTube channel, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new update. So let's get started. So first, in step number 1, here is a multi-state indicator and you can see in the button here is a multi-state button. So click on multi-state button and drag and drop it on display. Okay. So step number 1, example, you want to create a multi-state indicator button for 5 to greater than 5 state, example 10 state. So you can see one is the very common option in the all buttons. What is a common option in journal option? Journal option and common option. Journal is a common of most of the button. Journal option is common. So if you learn only one journal option and if you get knowledge only one journal option, you can use easily for another journal option of the buttons. You can see in previous button like maintain and momentary button. In maintain and momentary button and in both button, also border style means border style of the multi-state buttons. So you can see border style. Here is a non, recessed, inset, and line. You can choose anything according to your requirement. Example, reset. Step number 2, here you can apply box rule. It is a one box. First focus on this box. After completed this box box setting, then you can move another box, then you can move another box, then you can another box, then state, timing, e-signatures, common and connection. So in first box is border style and border width. So what will be border width? You can choose any border width, example 2. Okay. So next, same is border use back color. You can use border color like a back. If you have to change border color, so you have to click checkbox. It will be untick. And next is one line is completed. Another back style. Absorb my word. Back means back of the button. Style means style of the button. So back style of the button is solid, transparent and gradient. I already told in my previous video what is a solid, what is a transparent and what is a gradient, and how to use solid, transparent, gradient, and why we use solid, transparent, gradient. And also shape of the button shape, you can change rectangle, circle and ellipse. So one box setting is completed. Absorb my word, and it's very easy and common method is a box rule. If you apply box rule, you can learn very easily. And the second state setting. In the second box, what is the first state setting? State setting means how many setting you have to set in multi-state indicator. You can choose here near about 255 state. 255 state means limitation is very high. You can use 255 state in button. In normal case, I gonna share about 10. I gonna share about 10 state of the button. How you can use and value control and state. First I will share current state, it will be changed from the according to the current state. Example, any analog value have current state is 0. So and when you will click on the button, it will be changed according to the state of the button. So next box, what is saying next box? Touch margin. It's not more important, touch margin. If you, so you can see here touch margin. Touch margin, observe my word. It is a touch margin, horizontal touch margin and vertical touch margin. If you will write here some value, so this button will not work of totally height and width. It will be work only selected height and selected width. And IDO, it is a normal property of the any button. IDO, when you click on the button, then IDO will come from the computer. State. Now we will move state. So in the first box of the state, so you can see journal. Journal means when you will click first time of the button, on that time value will move in analog tag. Which value you will put here. I will show connection. So first I will take connection. So value, for example, when state of the button will be 0, on that time you want to, when button state will be 0, then value of the analog should be 0, and when button state will be 1, then value of analog, and in the 0 state, what will be the background and background color of the button. If you have to change background color of the button and also border color of the button for each and every state, so you can change. Otherwise you can apply same property of the each and every button, like I've already told in the previous video how to copy and how to paste state of the another same property of the another button. For example, border color will be of in 0 state black. Okay, apply. Welcome to this. Okay, this will be 0. So what you want to do? So back color will be back color of the button will be black, and border color of the button is blue. You can see here border color of the button is blue. Why? Because here is selected blue, and back color of the button is black, because here is selected black. And next you can change any pattern of the button. Example, dog, checks, but 90% the case, in my experience, I not use anywhere this pattern. So that's why I am going to skip this option. So next, caption. First we want to write. We want to set one property of the state, then you can copy same property and you can paste same property of the multiple state. Example, log and font size, you can increase the size from here to example 40. Bold, don't want to italic and underline, that's why skipping. And caption of the color, which color you want to for caption, it's I think selected, it will be unapply. Which color of you want to in the caption, you can change the color from here. Caption color, caption back color, if you want to back color of the caption, you can select here. And caption back style, solid and transparent, example solid, then you can see back style of the caption is solid with blue color. But in my experience, I not used transparent, I not use solid, I not use solid color of for caption. In my experience, I not use solid color of the for the caption. So value 1 is completed, it will be gone. So you can, if you want, what have to do another thing, image setting. Another box is image setting, and also alignment of the button. Yes, you can align text of the button. You see here, I will align. Analog, log value dash 0. It's okay, click on OK. And you can copy the state and you can paste it on state 2. How? Paste on state 2. Current state or state. Okay. What you have to change? You have to only value will be changed. Example 20. When state number 1, when button will press second time, it will be moved directly 20. In analog value, that I will select. Value 25 in the journal, apply value 25, it will be 25, apply state number 3. You can also change the color of the button. Example, when analog value will be 25, so background color will okay, blue, and border color will be, border color should be black. Apply. So also for state 3, you can change the value 25 to 30. Also in the caption value will be changed 35, and back color example change, and caption color will be black. Okay. So for state 4 also it will be paste all state, apply. What will be changed? Only value will be changed from 30 to 35. Apply, and caption will be 35. 35 to 5. Good. You can write any value, not 5. You can write any value for the journal. not 40, 30, 20. You can write any value 1 to between 1 to 25. You can write any analog value, int, cint or between int also. So it will be 40 and state 6, apply, paste, will be 45, also 45, apply, next state, next state will be also must to 45 to 50, apply, and also caption will be 50, all state. If you will paste all state that will be applied for each and every state. It will be 60. Caption also 60. Sorry. So all is fine. Next, timing. So here you can see timing not most important, but e-signature is most important. I will show e-signature after I will show e-signature, how to use e-signature, after show multi-state and multi-state button and also multi-state indicator. So click on connection. Now you can see here name, tag expression, tag. Click on tag, and in the tag example analog value 4. Here it is HMI tag. If you don't know how to create HMI tag, so in my previous video I already told how to create HMI tag and how to use. You can say HMI tag, you can say memory tag, you can say also internal tag. And when I will communicate from PLC means when in future in coming videos I will communicate with logic, then you can understand these things how it will be work. Now I am showing only from the internal tag. Example for analog 5. Analog 5 basically is only analog value. Example that will be come from the field. Example label transmitter, pressure transmitter, temperature transmitter, flow transmitter, conductivity transmitter, and turbidity transmitter, and load cell, and any other transmitter. So example it will be analog value. Example it's not analog value. You have to move same from the same tag to in the move block. When you will click first time, same tag will move in the logic. For second, for third, you can move the multiple times. I will be showing with when I will create video with logic, then I will show how it will be work. So for example log 5 it will be okay, apply, okay. So step 1 is completed, and you can use also in logic for will create video with FactoryTalk View and also FactoryTalk View also Studio 5000, both combination of video. And on that time I will show how to create add-on, how to create a faceplate, how to make add-on, how to link add-on with faceplate, how to do parameter passing, how to create parameter passing without parameter passing, how to link with parameter passing, how to link without parameter passing in faceplate. And so okay, next you have to take multi-state indicator, and same method will apply for multi-state indicator. Right click, drag and drop here. So you can see basic is same, general option is same. So you can example reset, okay, reset insert resist, and border will be 0. You can change the border color also, and border use back color you can change. Also you can change transparent, gradient, and rectangle, circle, ellipse. state of the button, you can see 255 state, sorry, you can see 2000 state of the multi-state indicator. Think about 2000, you can use 2000 state in only one indicator. If you know how to write logic for 2000 state, so generally 2000 state is not required, but you can use, if you want, you can use multiple state. So right now I am selecting 10 state and tag should be same, first tag should be same. So in multi-state button, tag is analog 5, so same tag will be apply for multi-state indicator. Apply, you can refresh folder here, it is a server, right click, you can see server folder, server name, refresh folder, refresh all folder, server name, HMI tag folder, server name. It is a FactoryTalk View learning, means it is a server. Here you can see only one server. Why here is showing only one server? Because I not created any other server. I created only YouTube learning server. It is a server. In this server you can choose all tag. All tag is in saving this server. I will explain how many type of server in FactoryTalk View Studio. So first take a log button, click on a log button, you can see here selected tag is 5, apply, okay, apply, click on state. When value will be 0 on that time, you can see on that time you can change the color of the button. You can change the color of the multi-state indicator. Example, in the 0 black, and in the 20 also you can write any font. If you want, you as per your requirement you can also write caption. If don't require caption, so use only button color. And for same you can see here in the box, second box, same like a multi-state button, and also in the third box same like a multi-state button. Image color, image back color, image blink, image scan. So state, when state will be 1, so it will be so 20, means on 20, because in analog multi-state indicate, in multi-state button, so state in the state 1 I choose 20, so same value must be same, button and also analog value, multi-state button and also multi-state indicator. So background color will be in the back color red. Example 20, when the analog value will 20, so back color will be changed green, and for 25 back color will be changed in 0 back color will be red, and in 1 back color will be green, in 2 back color should be, example, okay, dark red, dark color should be yellow in the 25 condition. In the 30 condition, then tag will be 30, then back color should be changed from 35 to from tag color will change from yellow to different color, and for 4 when value will be 35, so in the 35 to 40 when value will be 40, then also color will be changed. White. Okay, when value will change from 45, then back color will be gray, and for 60 for 50 back color should be changed green, back color should be blue, and for 7 so for 55 color should be changed from black to, example, you can choose in dark green, and 60 when state will be 60 means when analog value will be 60, you can see here analog value is 60 between 5 to gap from the 20, so it will be apply, and the color also color will be, example, start from red color and end from the red color. State number 9, it is not used, it's not useful state, apply and OK. So it is completed. So what you have to do, click on client. Client is opening, it will take some time, and click on run existing FactoryTalk View client. I already told what do you mean by run existing FactoryTalk View SE client configuration file. If you already created any, because it is a property of the FactoryTalk View Studio, click on run. Don't know how to create runtime, so in my previous video I already said how to create and how to do setting of the runtime in FactoryTalk View Studio. You can see here name of the desktop has been login. It's directly login. Why? Because I not created any login logout pass with password. And how to create login, how to create user group, and how to do login and logout. I will explain in my coming videos. is open with header footer. Sorry, with header, not footer. I already told. I already created video how to use header and footer in FactoryTalk View Studio which is Metro. So right now click on 5. So you can see value of the analog is 0 right now. Analog tag 5 value is 0 right now. So that's why here is just showing this color, a red color, because in the zero state you can see in the zero state which color I have selected. You can see in the zero state a red color I have selected. Next click on, it's showing 0. Why is showing 0? What is happening? In the one state color has been changed but text is not changed of the button. Why? In the one state it's showing 0, it is wrong, it must be show 20. Example, you have to change anything, so you can change here and click apply, OK and save. After save, one thing is remember, if you create anything in FactoryTalk View Studio and something is missing, you are facing in the runtime, okay, something is missing. So what you can do? You can only press the window icon and open development mode, and you can change whatever you want here. And again one thing is remember, after change reflect here, you want to change, you want to switch another display, example display number 4. After that it will be reflect. You can see here analog value 20 and 25, analog value 25. Also 25 is not showing. Why not showing 25? What happening? State here must is show 25. Okay, 25, 30, 35. Okay, understand. 35, and you learning something new. You can see in the runtime is not showing caption, but I am changing in the development mode. 35, 40, it will be 35 and 45, 50, 55 and it will be 60. Okay, so it will be reflect. How it will be reflect? You want to switch again another display, any display, not animation 4. It's for learning purpose I created animation 4, that's why I'm click on animation 4. You can create any display, so you want to only switch from one display to another display. After switched, when you back main display, it will be reflect here. You can see 25, and in 25 what I have to choose the which color. You can see in the multi-state indicator is showing in the one state, in the 2 state which color? Yellow color. Okay, and in the 4 state 30 which color? You can see here 30. In the 30 value which color? I don't know what is the color name anyway. And in 40 which color is showing? In 35 it's showing error. Why it's showing error? We want to know why it's showing error. In 45, no, which color? 35. In the 35 it's showing error. I think something is missing. What is missing? If Okay, it will be 35, sorry, it will be 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and one another, copy and paste it, insert a new state and paste it here. Current state, it will be changed 60, and in the 60, okay, in the 60 example, black color, okay, black color, apply, save. So again I want to change display, it's changed 35. You can see in the 35 which color is reflecting in the multi-state indicator. 35 on 35 value showing white color, in the 40 value showing dark white, in 45 value showing blue, 50 showing dark green, and 55 again showing red, and 60 it's showing which color? Black color. So this multi-state indicator and multi-state button you can use in your logic. It's SCADA, but also you can in logic you have to think how to create a logic and how to use multi-state button in particular logic. Anyway, when I will discuss with FactoryTalk View Studio and Studio 5000 both combination video, means I will create a video on combination, how to create faceplate, how to do parameter passing, how to use macro, how to use macro, how to create a library, how to use image, how to use parameter passing, how to use trend, how to use snapshot trend, how to use trend snapshot template, how to use XY plot, and logic control. I can derivative tag, event, macro, client, data log. I already told, I already created, but in depth knowledge I will create video again. And also all FactoryTalk View Studio, I will not any topic, all topic you can learn from my videos. And also without, again I going to tell you one things, without FactoryTalk View faceplate, how to create a faceplate in FactoryTalk View, and how to write a add-on for FactoryTalk, for how to write add-on for pump, for switch, for valve, for any analog that are using in the industry. So you cannot write logic, you cannot create any SCADA if you don't know. So first, if you know all those things, basics, when step by step I will create video on SCADA. So you want to follow each and every video. If you skipped any video, you cannot understand. You cannot understand of the FactoryTalk View and SCADA. So thank you for watching my video. If you learn from my video, so please hit the like button